We are heartbroken, disheartened, and as the people of the mountain, we are inconsolable. We believed that Rigathi Gachagua would find justice in our courts, but we are appalled and are in disbelief that justice has not been found. This reminds us of the case of a Roman governor in Judea by the name of Pontius Pilate at the trial and crucifixion of Jesus Christ. That even after Pontius Pilate had found Jesus to be innocent, he still allowed for his crucifixion. And that is what we have felt today in our courtrooms. As the people of the mountain, we are heartbroken. And we demand that justice must be found. We stand in solidarity with our kingpin, His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua. And whatever means he takes from here to pursue justice, we will stand behind him, we'll stand by him, and we'll support him.
And were you expecting this outcome?
We actually had a moment of unfounded celebration when the courts found that his rights had been violated and awarded him damages. And we had thought that the final decision of the court would be consistent with their finding that his rights had been violated. But we are in dismay that the court did not act in consistency or rule in consistency with its own findings. And tonight is a dark day for the people of the mountain.